Enter the offline account. Choose Mercedes Benz. Automatically identify vehicle information. Model 205,077. Wait to read the vehicle information. Click to enter the control unit list. Select the N310 engine control unit. Check the prompt message and click Continue. Click to continue. Read the fault code of the control unit. There is a P019 fault. Open the DTS software. Select to create the temporary workspace. Load the communication file. Select the communication template. Establish gateway communication and perform gateway unlocking operations. Read the software version information of the engine control unit. Read the code of the engine control unit and save it. Load the repair data for engine programming. The repair data may vary depending on the vehicle model. You can contact me for inquiries. After selecting the software, start writing. Wait for the writing to complete. After the writing is completed, check the engine code. It basically won't change. Only verification is required. The engine fault codes have been read and all have been eliminated. This time, select the Quick Test function. Select to delete all fault codes. Conduct a quick test again. The entire vehicle has no fault codes. Fault resolution for P019185.